Hey there, are you looking for a robot lawnmower that can automatically map your yard, avoid obstacles with AI, and deliver precise edge cutting without needing boundary wires like the MOVA LiDAX Ultra 2000 lawnmower? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place, because today we are taking a closer look at the MOVA LiDAX Ultra 2000, a smart robotic lawnmower designed to make lawn care easier with advanced AI mapping, obstacle detection, and powerful all-terrain performance. Before we get started, I want to mention that this lawnmower was sent to us by the brand MOVA in exchange for a review, and while I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thought whatsoever. My review will remain 100% genuine and based on real use. First off, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the MOVA LiDAX Ultra 2000 lawnmower itself, charging station, power accessories, and everything needed to get it set up and ready to mow. One of the best things about the mower is how simple the setup is compared to traditional robotic mowers. Instead of installing complicated boundary wires or RTK stations, this model uses AI vision combined with 360 degrees 3D LiDAR to automatically map your yard. Once powered on and connected to the app, which is super easy and straightforward, the mower scans and builds a detailed 3D map of the lawn with centimeter level accuracy, allowing it to start mowing within minutes. One feature that really stands out is the precision edge cutting. The Ultra Trim movable cutting disc allows the mower to trim extremely close to walls, fences, hedges, and raised edges. It cuts within about 2 inches of boundaries, significantly reducing missed strips of grass, and for flush lawn edges next to pavement, the mower can even ride along the edge for a clean, precise finish. Safety is another major highlight, where the LiDAX Ultra 2000 uses AI-powered obstacle detection supported by real-time 3D sensing. With advanced vision and point cloud data, the mower can detect and avoid more than 300 different types of obstacles, and that includes things like outdoor furniture, garden decorations, toys, and other common items found in the yard. This makes the mower much safer for families, pets, and everyday backyard environments. Performance on different terrains is also impressive, where the rear-wheel drive system and off-road wheels provide strong traction, allowing the mower to climb slopes up to 45%. It can also handle small obstacles up to about 1.6 inches high and navigate narrow pathways as tight as 23.6 inches. This makes it suitable for yards with uneven ground, narrow passages, and more challenging layouts. When it comes to moving efficiency, the mower uses smart U-shaped path planning. Instead of random movement like some older robotic mowers, this system follows a structured pattern to ensure even coverage across the entire lawn. And if the battery runs low during operation, the mower automatically returns to its charging station, recharges, and then resumes mowing exactly where it left off. Another great capability is the dual map system. Through the MOVA Home app, you can manage up to 2 separate maps and create as many as 150 different mowing zones. This is perfect if you have separate front and backyards or even multiple properties. Each zone can have its own mowing schedule and settings, giving you full control over how your lawn is maintained. The app also allows you to adjust the cutting height remotely, where you can easily change the grass height from 1.2 inches all the way up to 3.9 inches directly from your phone, making it easy to adapt to different seasons, grass types, or personal preferences. Security is also built into the system with the TrueGuard anti-theft protection, where the mower continuously monitors its surroundings and sends alerts if something unusual happens. With the integrated tracking system, you will receive instant notifications if the mower moves outside of its mapped area, helping you keep your equipment protected. Overall, the MOVA LiDAX Ultra 2000 combines advanced AI technology, wire-free setup, precision cutting, and powerful terrain handling into a fully automated lawn care solution that can save a lot of time and effort. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this MOVA LiDAX Ultra 2000 lawnmower. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you and your garden. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy fully automated smart lawn mowing. See you in the next video. Peace.